Come on along. Huh?
Fuck off.
What do you think, Kyle? That don't look too good, does it? That belongs over here. What the hell? That's next on the agenda. Right, Toby? Well, I gotta do something for fun. I think that's gonna be a fun shop job. We're gonna have to take that out of there. We're gonna have to dismantle the axle off of the differential and then pull the axle out to weld it proper. Wow, that's been cracked for a while. You can see it was rubbing and shiny. Shiny, I say! Well, they welded it once before. We'll be able to weld it again. What do you think? Let's look inside. Oh yeah, she's cracked. She's broke. She's a broke. Well, there you go, girls and boys. It's going to be fun. Fun with numbers. Kyle's afraid of the camera, so he went inside. That's cool. You gotta love basswood. See ya.